Hello, my dear students. Good morning to all, and welcome to English class. Today we are dealing with the very first chapter of your main course book, and the theme of this chapter is Wonders of Travel. Now, let's move on to the title of our chapter Darwin Diaries, written by Alan Gibbons. Before going to our chapter, I would like to tell you about Charles Darwin. This is the picture of Charles Darwin. He was a naturalist. Here, naturalist means a person who studies or an expert in natural science. And he was best known for his contribution to the science of evolution. That's all about Charles Darwin. So, let's continue with our chapter. This is a story of the 5-year-long historic expedition 1832 to 1836 of British naturalist Charles Darwin, based on which Darwin wrote his famous book on the origin of species. This account is narrated by 10-year-old James Kincaid through a series of entries in his diary. James is thrilled to have been chosen as assistant to Darwin on the voyage aboard HMS Beagle. He helps Darwin collect information on different creatures during the journey. In his extract, James, now 15, recounts their voyage to the Galapagos Islands between 15 September and 20 October 1835. This is about 5-year-long historic expedition that Charles Darwin started his journey along with his assistant James Kincaid. And through this expedition, what all information he collected regarding different creatures and species and animals. That is all what we have to study about. And whatever information he actually collected from there on different creatures and species during his journey on those islands, he actually wrote it down on one of his famous book named On the Origin of Species. So let's see what all happened during his expedition. We have left South America and are about to arrive at the Galapagos Island. There are 15 of them altogether, 600 miles from the coast of Ecuador. We here are Mr. Darwin, his assistant James Kincaid, and few other members of the team. They are total 15 in number, so they are all ready to leave for his island, that is Galapagos Island. They have left South America for their journey. So I will tell something about Galapagos Island. These islands are in Pacific Ocean and it is a group of islands. There is a chain of islands and there are number of islands in that specific area. And these islands are 600 miles from the coast of Ecuador. Ecuador is one of the countries of South America. 600 miles is approximately 1000 kilometers. Okay. Mr. Darwin is delighted at the prospect of seeing the Galapagos. He says that the collection of islands is a perfect little world by itself. He is eagerly looking forward to exploring them more than anywhere else on our journey. Here it is saying that Mr. Darwin is very delighted to go and explore these islands. And he further says that these islands is a perfect little world by itself. That means he is eagerly looking forward to exploring them. So that's all about the first paragraph. I think it is clear to you. So that's all for today. See you in the next class. Thank you.